meet you. The grave is still and the requiem bell rang mournfully and clear. For those who died that Eastertide in the springing of the year, while the world did gaze with deep amaze at those fearless men, but few who bore the fight that freedom's light might shine through the foggy dew.
I think she's great. I think she's brilliant. We had a rehearsal with Sinead the day before. We went down to record. Sat in. She's great. Sinead is great, but she's one of ourselves, you know what I mean. She was great, and just launched into it.
As we gathered in the chapel here in old Kilmainham jail, I think about these past few weeks. Oh, will they say we failed? From our school days they have told us we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye.